you ever said, it's just a hobby, no big deal? Hey everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And I'm here to tell you that hobbies often become empires. Why is that? Well, because you're playing and having fun. And if you have found a way, and this is like really rare, to actually make a living doing something you truly enjoy and have fun with, meaning you would do that even if you didn't get paid. You have found the real road to riches, not just financially, but also emotionally too. Now let's get down to patents and why inventing in the area that you play, in the area that you have a hobby, can lead to empires. Shifting your perspective from, it's just a hobby, I don't need to patent it, to, yeah, if you want to control, if you want to have more fun, keep playing in the field, in the area that you're operating in, you should think about patent protection, because it will do just that. Allow you to play, allow you to protect, and prevent someone else from owning that and maybe taking your playground away. Let's take some examples here from the real world. Patagonia. This is Yvon Chouinard. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Yvon started making climbing gear in his garage as a hobby to support his own climbs. He patented equipment improvements, tinkered around in the garage, and that hobby turned into one of the most respected outdoor brands in the world. Number 2, Lego. Yes, Lego. Ole Kirk Christiansen. Lego began as a small woodworking hobby in Denmark. Maybe you know the history. Early patents on interlocking these bricks transformed a pastime, a fun hobby activity, into a global empire. Third example is Ben & Jerry's. Ben & Jerry's ice cream. What started out as a hobby, just making ice cream flavors at a renovated gas station up in Vermont. Built on protected recipes, family tradition, processes, and turned into branding, and of course became one of the most well-known ice cream brands in the world. So every empire starts out with something small. You don't really know if it's a hobby that could turn into an empire. So to find out, visit us at boldpatents.com. Take a free discovery call and see what is your next best step. I'm JD Houvener, wishing you guys a great day. Go big, go bold.